Curious about what happens to your body when you do 50 squats every day? Just your body weight, no extra gadgets, just you and your body. In this video, we explain exactly what changes, when you will feel them, and why this simple habit might be worth starting today. Squats are one of the most powerful exercises you can do with just your body. They work your legs, glutes, core, and lower back all at once. Your quads and glutes are your largest muscle groups, which means squatting burns more energy than almost any other bodyweight movement. And you can do them anywhere, anytime. So what happens when you do 50 squats every day? In the first week, expect soreness in your quads and glutes. That is your muscles being challenged and rebuilt stronger. It is supposed to feel like that. By week 2, your legs start feeling more stable and powerful. Climbing stairs feels easier and movements feel smoother. You will notice better balance and coordination. By week 3, consistency starts to show. Your endurance builds, your body recovers faster between sets, and the whole thing starts to feel more natural. You know exactly how a squat makes your body feel. The glutes, the legs, the core. At the 1 month mark, 50 squats a day will feel like part of your day. Your legs will be stronger, your glutes more defined, and your stronger core will help your posture. You will stand taller and sit taller. Daily bodyweight squats help build a solid foundation. They improve mobility, flexibility, and blood flow, keeping your knees, hips, and ankles strong and healthy as you age. For those who worry about bulking up, 50 squats a day will not turn you into a bodybuilder. For those who want to build more, you need to take the next masterclass. More resistance and progressive training will get you there. And there is one benefit you may not realize. Earlier, we mentioned standing taller and sitting taller. That posture change alone gives you an immediate confidence boost. No slouched shoulders, a more open, welcoming presence, and brighter energy. You naturally gain more control over how you carry yourself, and that confidence spills into every part of your life. So, should you start doing 50 squats a day? Yes. It is a simple habit with real long-term benefits. If 50 feels like too much to start, split it into smaller sets across your day. We have a video for that called Squat Tax. Check out the link at the end. If it already feels easy, slow down the tempo or push towards 75 or 100. The aim was always consistency, and consistency is what gets you there. Train smarter, not harder. Subscribe for simple alternatives that actually change how your body works with smarter choices. Thanks for watching.